Hi, I'm Mel Churcher, and I've been asked to give you some voice tips to help with your voice work. So here goes. I think the first thing for us to remember is that because we're voice people, we're thinking about this, but actually your whole body is involved. So this is about voice quality, which is really important. So you want to make sure that your feet are firmly on the floor, whether you're standing or sitting, that your shoulders are down, that your top of your head is rising to the ceiling, and you have to make sure that you're not leaning forward or got your shoulders up, because all of that will affect your breathing. And the breathing is really important because it gives you a direct connection to where you feel. That abdominal area is where we have all these nerve endings which G us up and calm us down. And if we're not connected to that, then all sorts of strange things happen and so on. So we want our whole voice. We want our natural voice quality. Just pop your hand for a moment on your belly and just feel that natural feeling of your breath coming in and going away. If you're not used to this feeling, you might want to lie on your bed before you go to sleep tonight and put your hand there, and you'll find that as the breath comes in, your belly goes away from you. As the breath goes out, it goes back to the chair or the wall or the bed. So that if you went on an SH outwards, shh, you would feel your belly area going inwards. And that means that when you speak, because you're on the outward breath, that's again what you would feel to give you that connection. That's really important because otherwise everything starts to sound tense. So that's the main thing I would say to you, is to make sure your voice is centered. You might want to know roughly where the baseline of your voice would be naturally. Of course, we can go up and down, but you might want to know where it is. So if you do this little exercise, assuming that all is well with your neck, you take your own body in your own hands. So you're going to I'm going to go sideways. You're just going to lift ever so slightly and swallow on the way down. And then speak straight away. I always find I'm a little bit lower than I think I am. Because when we get tight and tense, the larynx, which is a free moving thing, that larynx can rise a little bit and take you up to a place you didn't really want to be. Of course, you can go up and down, whatever's needed. But your default position, it's quite useful to know what your default pitch is. So it's a gentle opening, shutting, swallowing on the way down, and then speaking straight away. Of course, you can do it with just a glass of water and just have a little sip, and that will do the same thing. And then you can get on to articulation and Peggy Babcock and Peggy Babcock, Peggy Babcock. I never was very good at that. Red lorry, yellow lorry, red lorry, yellow lorry. So make sure your jaw is released. Anyway, lovely to speak to you and have fun.